Hello there. Perhaps you can help me. Oi, can you help me?
Hello? Were you calling me?
I was, yes. Thought you might be interested in joining me for a bit of an adventure. Following a treasure map, to be precise. Slight respite from battling the odd troll, I should think. Asked Poppy if she'd be interested as well, but couldn't drag her away from her puff skein. I found 2 maps lying about, both leading to locations around Hogwarts. Care to have a look at one?
Following a Hogwarts treasure map. Count me in.
Wonderful. Hogwarts fascinates me. You can keep whatever treasure lies at the end of your map. I'll be satisfied just knowing where it leads.
Very well. I shall take a look if I can find the time.
Fair enough. Meet me back here if you find anything.
Ah, a rhinoceros skeleton. I'm on the right track. Adelaide Oaks, isn't it? I received your owl.
Yes, I'm Adelaide Oaks. Oh dear. You see, my Uncle Roland is a metal trader who's quite well known in the goblin community. He normally sends me owls every week when he's on his business travels. In his last owl, he alluded to dealings with those radical goblins, Ranrock's loyalists. It's been ages since that owl and I'm worried. What with the troll attack on Hogsmeade and the rumours that goblins may have been involved, well, I'm fearing the worst. Should I be worried about my uncle, or am I overthinking this?
I think you're right to be concerned, Adelaide. Your uncle may be in trouble.
You're much more understanding than Professor Weasley. She heard I was going to look for him and forbade me from leaving the grounds. She's convinced he can handle himself, but I can't concentrate on anything until I know he's all right. Could you try to find out for me? From what I hear, you're almost as adventurous as Uncle Roland.
I'll try and look into it for you, Adelaide.
Thank you. He's very thorough in his record keeping, notes all his trades in a journal, makes maps. In fact, in his last owl, he drew me a map of his next stop. He'd planned to set up camp north of here. I do hope you're able to find out where he is. Thank you again for any help you can provide.
There's the fountain. I'm getting closer. I hope Adelaide's Uncle Roland is all right. She seems very worried. Adelaide mentioned her uncle's camp may be near Brockborough, past the river.
I'd say you're right. Dismal's more to work for it. But you know what they say? Dark skies before a storm, and we've had our storm. Fair skies will be upon us soon. You'll see that I'm...
Confringo! Come here!
That goblin...
Confringo! Protego!
Pay for that.
Was that meant to be a...
Confringo!
One less poacher in the wizarding world. This be Mr. Oakes' campsite? Ranrock's loyalists.
Yeah.
Incendio! Confringo! Repulsor! Confringo! I won't rest!
Now to find out what happened here. Mr. Oakes' trade journal. Adelaide said that her uncle kept notes of his trades, maps. Perhaps these landmarks will lead me to him. This could prove dangerous if I'm not careful.
Incendio! Confringo! Repulsor! Incendio! Confringo! Lumos. Lumos.
they come after me, they'll rest in 10 graves. Irondale's not half as tough. You've made a mistake. I'll get that goblin help back. Hopefully by rummaging your
A rock formation. That's the first landmark on this map. Now to find the crooked tree. Could it be a Merlin trial?
Lumos. Confringo. Lumos.
This looks intriguing.
Incendio. Repulsor. Lumos.
A crooked tree, just as the map said. The crumbling tower shouldn't be far from here.
silence. How do I get that goblin help back? Hopefully from your corpse.
Protego.
Admirable trick. You.
Depulso.
You can't roll me away out of this! No.
How nice of you to stop by.
Incendio. Confringo. Your blood's on Ranrock's hands.
And the crumbling tower. The spot on the map should be directly south of here.
Repulsor. Incendio. Incendio. Protego.
What do we have here?
One less human.
Protego. Confringo. Lumos.
I may have more luck higher up in the keep.
Someone in there. Oh, little.
Now here's a sad-looking place. A ladder. That's what I need.
What's that? Who's there?
Over here.
That student defeated our encampment in the town.
Protego.
That was nothing but luck. You are terribly outmatched. Surely you can see that.
Confringo.
This is the spot on the map. I'd best have my wits about me.
Confringo.
No, you.
Incendio.
Dead. How nice of you to stop by. Ha!
Lumos. Incendio. Depulso.
Perhaps not the...
Confringo. Incendio. Confringo! 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 Incendio! Confringo! Confringo! Confringo!
One less foul, hulking brute. Goodness. Stone walls do a prison make, sometimes.
You only have Ranrock to blame. Lumos.
What will we find in here?
Wait, what was that? Up for a bit of dying, are we?
Confringo!
If only I could get my hands on fate for that stupid.
Confringo!
It looks as though Adelaide's instincts were spot on.
Lumos. Lumos. Lumos.
He'll learn his lesson after being locked away. You can count on that.
Confringo!
Lumos.
The human's word is once. This prisoner owes us the metal we were promised.
There's something let us out.
Incendio. Lumos.
I know I heard something that.
How nice of you to stop by.
How to open it?
It's the student from the town.
Confringo!
Incendio.
Confringo!
Rat this out. Are you quite finished?
Incendio.
Utterly hit on this man.
Confringo!
Incendio.
I will make
Lumos. Lumos.
Quiet is playing tricks. Back to it then.
Aloha Mora. Lumos.
I didn't touch your helm. Thank you for making me the first object of your suspicions. My friends are
Too late.
now, don't
You've
I?
learned the error of your way. Lumos.
One way or another, we'll get what we're owed.
Incendio!
I won't rest until...
Incendio!
Hit it!
Enjoy suffering!
Confringo!
Better like to me.
Incendio!
I won't rest. This is almost great coming. Eh? I will make pity. Not quite. I won't rest.
Confringo!
You're making this too easy.
That was meant.
Get away! Missed me!
Incendio! Confringo!
Ranrock won't be stopped! That student defeated our encampment! I will end your death!
You can't stop us.
Confringo! Protego! Confringo!
You won't stop me. Was that your best?
You've one less follower, Ranrock. Lumos. This must be Mr. Oakes's wand. Perhaps now he can set himself free. I wonder if Adelaide's uncle could be down there. Incendio!
I will make you.
Incendiary!
I won't rest.
Confringo!
Incendiary! Lumos! Hello? Mr. Oakes?
Yes, I'm here. They've taken my wand. This cell has an enchanted lock. I have experience with these locks, but I need my wand if I have any chance of opening it. Look for a boiler door. I've heard them speak of it.
Fortunately, I've already found your wand, Mr. Oakes.
Please, pass me my wand. I can't get out of this damn cell without it. It's my last hope. Please. My wand. Oh, thank Merlin. Thank you. You did it! I found my wand and... Wait, you're a student? Oh, we must get you to safety immediately. It's dangerous.
It's all right, Mr. Oakes. I've dealt with these goblins before.
Dear Merlin, you're either very lucky or very talented. Well, how did you find me?
I'm a friend of Adelaide's. She was worried about your business with Ranrock's loyalists.
Oh, she was right to be. I couldn't go through with the agreement, and when I told them, I ended up blindfolded and behind bars. Been locked in that infernal cell for so long, they'd forgot I was even there. I overheard things. If only I could reward you for what you've done. Blasted goblins stole every Knut on me. All I can say is thank you, truly.
I'm grateful I was able to help you, Mr. Oakes. Adelaide thinks the world of you.
Oh, and I her. She's become quite savvy to my trading habits, always analyzing my detailed owls. Oh, if only I hadn't resorted to trading with such fiends. A lesson I shan't soon forget. Having my wand back is like being reunited with an old friend. I must return home and inform Adelaide of my safety. Will you be all right?
I'll be fine, Mr. Oakes. You get back to Adelaide. I assure you, her worries outweigh yours.
Oh, I'm anxious to see my dear niece. And then I plan to travel far from here for my next round of trading. Thank you. May life reward you justly for your deeds. Be well, my friend.
Lumos! Mr. Oakes was lucky. Ranrock's lot would never have freed him.